Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and the unboxing of my first ever Spinnaker watch. Now for a long time, I really wanted a orange diver with a steel bezel. I even modified a Orient Mako to suit that, but it's a bit too big for me and it's 42 millimeters. So for a long time I've been looking for a 39 millimeter orange diver watch. And now Spinnaker heard my prayers, I guess, because they released a new, well, it's a GMT in 4 different colorways, so you can understand which one I chose. So what's in the package? Spinnaker QR code. I guess it's a warranty card, instructions manual, warranty and repair, affiliate program and so on. Check that out later, because hopefully underneath this we have the watch. Now, it came with some goodies. Link adjustment tool. Cool. We have a very colorful. Now this whole range is very colorful. So we also have a very colorful rubber strap. Soft, nice, high quality it seems. Tropic style, very purple. And we have some branding. We have some branding on that buckle. Cool. Gonna have to put it on that later on. Let's put that to the side, because here is the star of the show, the Spinnaker. Here you have the whatchamacallit reference. Hang tag, let's put that to the side. Pretty nice box. Pretty decent box actually. My first ever Spinnaker. Here we go. Spinnaker Croft GMT 39 in orange. Put it off the pillow. Oh, there's a diver's extension on it. Pillow. Oh, sorry, on the bracelet, on the pillow. Let's do remove, not remove, but move the hands to the famous, let's do 10-10 position. And let's see what kind of movement is in this thing, because on the web page all I could find was Japanese movement. Is it a Miyota or is it a NH34? Let's see. It actually didn't say on the case spec either, so let's do some research and put it up here. But that's a cool watch. That's pretty damn orange. Really nicely applied indices. That sapphire crystal is a bit boxed. Look how it's protruding. But really smooth and nice. Let's just give it a quick wipe. That's cool. Some AR coding it seems. It's really bright in this apartment. And since I haven't been able to find my calipers since moving, let's put some specifications in this corner. Fully brushed bracelet. We have a nice chamfer on the case. We have a, not a no on the fly adjust, but we do have a diver's extension. So if you want to go put this on top of your swimsuit, you can. We milled clasp with a pressed upper, it seems. Pretty standard clasp. Seems to be a bit of a taper. I would guess it tapers slightly, maybe down to 18 from 20. And we have quick release on those end links. Let's see, the bezel should be bidirectional. It is. So in reality, you can set 3 time zones, one with the mint GMT hand and one with the bezel. Nice detail with the orange on the at the loom triangle. That's pretty damn cool actually, as a watch goes in general. So let's put it on wrist and then let's put it on the quick release rubber as well, just for fun. roughly 17 centimeter wrist. And this is how it will wear. I'll need to adjust the adjust or put a link or two back in. But on my wrist that wears pretty dang nice. Good feel to it, the build quality seems solid. So I'm really happy. So far, let's test it out for a couple of weeks and then let's do a full review. Let's take it off wrist again. Signing on that clasp as well, but yeah, that's a very standard clasp. But good with a quick release on the bracelet though. And as usual, when something's supposed to be easy to do, it's never easy on camera. There we go. Now my experience starting to be is that it's different levels of this quick release, where this is, well, middle one. Not the best one, but far from the worst one. Oh, branding on the inside there as well. Cool. So that's how it's looking on the supplied rubber. There's the bracelet, there's the watch. I'm gonna really enjoy wearing this and trying it out. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, please stay safe. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. Stay safe and bye bye.